I'm so excited for today's look. I've been dying to do this video for a couple weeks now, but I've had some other things slated in the mix, so I was ecstatic about recording this video today. So today we're talking about this company right here, Glamlite, which is like, this is not like sponsored or anything because I'm still baby, but I've been on the TikTok lately. And I fell in love with this company. She's Latino owned. It's just a really amazing company. And I'm late to the game on Glamlite. But for those of you who don't know about her, this company is amazing. This is the one I ordered. This is the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air kit. So I'm going to go through this stuff and I'm going to create a really fun look with that. So I'm excited to do that. Also, I told you she was notoriously famous for these lip kits. So I got the Twinkie lip kit and I also got, I think, the cinnamon bun one. I also got the cinnamon swirl one. So I'm really excited to show you these or just to go over them. But yeah, if you want to see all about the Glamlite collection that I got and then see the fun look that I'm going to create, stay tuned. So first things first, I'll go over the Twinkie lip kit first. A bajillion people know about this little lip kit, but every time I went to get it initially, it was out of stock, but I finally got it in. So it comes in this cute little packaging, and yeah. And then, so what comes with it is a lip pencil, a lipstick, which is fastly becoming my favorite color, and then a lip gloss. So I'll show you the swatches here, what they look like. I'm not gonna put this on today. I just wanted to show you that how pretty they were, that this is what they like. This lipstick, look at that. Ugh, I die. It's so pretty. And then the pencil's a really pretty brown color, and then the lip gloss is like a clear, but it smells like Twinkies. It's amazing. So that's that. I thought those were absolutely adorable, and I finally got my hands on one. And then the cinnamon swirl one, this one is delightful. The color payoff on this lip gloss is ridiculous. So it's a really opaque color, which, you know, it's full of color. There's no sheerness to it. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. I always try to get you to focus in on that. But it's a really pretty color. I'll just do one little swatch there for you. But it's so pretty, and it smells, when they said it smelled like Big Red, I was like, does it really? It smells identical to Big Red, so it's not like the cinnamon bun kind of smell. It smells like Big Red. It's very cinnamony. So those two are fun. This one's very pretty when you put it on. Again, I'll show you the swatches here. And then, yeah, I just wanted to show you those two real quick. And now we'll get into the meat and potatoes of this, which I was really excited to play with. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, Glamlite, she collaborates with all these companies. It's not like she's out there just bootlegging these companies. She actually collaborates with them. So last summer, she collaborated with the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Like, she contacted Will Smith, from what I understand, and like tried, you know, got all these rights to it. So in the kit comes an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, a setting spray, and some lip glosses. So I thought I'd start with the setting spray. So it's just so cute to me because it's very like that, you know, early 90s vibe, 80s vibe. It's like an air spray paint can. So that's the setting spray, and it comes out like a normal mist, I guess. I thought it was gonna spray on. I thought it was gonna be like airbrush spray, but no, it comes out like a regular setting powder. So I'll let that set. And it has there's no scent to it. I just thought it was really cute because it has like the you know, the bubble, I don't know, looks like graffiti. Okay, so this is the movie. I'm like a topper. So this is the Fresh Prince palette, but the reason I was really excited to create a color with this is I got a fun look coming today, is look at these freaking colors. Are those not amazing? It's so pretty. When I saw it online, I would have paid $1 million for it, but it was only $12.50 for the whole box. Remember, I told you. And it's frequently on sale. A lot of her stuff is really inexpensive. That's why I love her. Like, she created a really dope line, and it's not horribly expensive, and they're fun. These are the lip glosses. They're like little microphones. How cute are those? And then, look how cute. Yeah, so again, I'll put swatches up for these. That one's like a pink This one's more pink. That one's like a cherry balm kind of color. Yeah, but they're really pretty. They smell. There's not really a scent to these either. And then I thought this was adorable because this is the box it came in. So it's like a taxi cab, but it looks like a license plate, a California license plate. But these highlighters, holy shit, look how beautiful those are. I don't know if you can really get the full effect of the iridescence in each one of them. They're stunning. And I can't wait to play with them. So I've already got my base down. I'm just gonna dive in and start doing the look that I want. I'm not gonna really talk too much through this, so I'll probably speed it up through it and then get the complete look, but I'm excited to try it. I had to get a couple different colors out of 2 other palettes because of the look I needed 2 colors that I didn't have in this palette. So I'm just gonna dive in. I'm really excited. I know this might, you know, everybody gets excited about something. I get excited about makeup and beauty in general, and randomly furniture. I love decor. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by setting my brow base. I got a lot of blush on today just because it's gonna tie into this look, and normally I wouldn't really wear this much blush, but anywho, let's get started. I have to use Jeffree Star for this next color because I didn't have this pretty orange. I need a pretty orange. Oh. Look at how pretty this palette is too. Isn't that gorgeous? And I've never used this palette. I told you when I have palettes in that drawer that I've never even cracked open. There's so many in there. That's why I was like, enough is enough. I need to start playing with these palettes and get going and become an artist again. I kind of stopped being an artist for a while. And this is an oldie but goodie look. But I was just, when I saw the colors, it just brought back nostalgia for me. And I feel like that's the theme right now is nostalgia, because people are shopping at like limited 2 again, or I guess they came out with the collection. Like all the millennials are coming out with new collections for like stuff that they used to wear.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So I didn't have the blue that I wanted in these palettes, which these blues are very pretty. I mean, come on, those are stunning blues, but not the look I was going for. So I had to resort to this Michaela collaboration with P. Louise. Again, never touched it, but look how gorgeous this palette is. It opens up and lights up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Is the camera picking it up? It lights up, but anyways, look how gorgeous that is. I know, I'm a weirdo, but this collection is absolutely stunning, and there's a blue in here that I want, so I'm gonna go with this one.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Now I could have used like more colors in this look, but I just like, at the end of the day, I have almond shaped eyes and they're smaller. So even though I have a big face, I didn't want to overwhelm my eye with too many looks. So I just stuck with the three. I finally get to use these, the colorful eyeliners that I had bought a while back. Some yellow on this side. It's gonna get better, I promise. Trust the process.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so I've been dying to play with this highlighter. Move a little paper. I'm gonna go with this pink one, right? Chill. Oh. Stop. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, all right, Glamlite, okay. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I know we're not supposed to put highlighter like everywhere, but I don't give a shit because I love it. I wanted to play with it. Worth it right there. I mean, it's all worth it, but. Okay, next is lips. Sidebar, my toxic trait, I save all the packaging. Like I have everything in its original packaging, which I've had palettes that I use for like, that have had like run through the mud, but they're still pristine because I keep them in the packaging. So once I use everything, I put it back in the box. Just who I am. I can't help it. I had to dig back in the archives for this one. So the lip that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to actually use that purple eyeliner that I got too with the other colors to line. But I'm going to be using a color called Saint Germain. That was one of Mac's collections. It's this poppy bubblegum pink. So let's do it. And I am overlining to the gods. Jesus be a hypoallergenic lip filler. Let something happen to where I can get filler. Ooh, you bitches aren't gonna be able to stand me. I won't be able to stand myself. I have this little Apple thing that I bought 10 plus years ago, where you suck on it or it suctions your lips out. And I love doing that, except it would always bruise my lip. And they're like, you know, you could bust a blood vessel or something. I don't know, they told me something one time and I was like, ooh, okay, let's stop doing that. Let's feather. Let's see. Makes me happy. Hello, love. How are you? Have you been okay? I've been good. Thanks for asking. I'm glad to see you again. It turned into like an electric lavender. Oh God. Yep. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but the Lord is. Ah, it looks okay. Yep. That's the one. Tap that out a little bit. Let me fix my line. Please hold. Okay. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so that's the completed look. I've been dying to do this look just for a while, just to play with color, because I do a lot of neutrals and browns and naturals and earth tones and blah, blah, blah. And I really wanted to play with this. I almost forgot lip gloss. Got to use one of the, it was all a dream. No, just kidding. I got a sweater that says that. I should put that on. Mama, hi. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's do this. I'll take it and put it on my hand so I can get a build up. And then it'll glide. Stop. I don't know if you, I wish you guys could see it in person. It's so pretty. I'll take some in the natural lighting and daylight. I love it. Okay, so that's the completed look. Thanks for hanging out with me today while I play with my Glamlite. If you can, follow her, buy from her. She's amazing. She's a sweet woman. She's got an incredible backstory. But yeah, I've been following that company for a long time. There's also another one called Queen Cosmetics that everybody knows of, but she's got an incredible backstory also. So yeah, Glamlite, it's Glamlite. I'll put everything down below anyways. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your week, and I'll see you soon.